We've made our business successful by focusing one person at a time. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share some great feedback. Take a look. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're always here to serve you.